Why? Just tell me why, bro. Hey, good. One correct for real. Mine, mm, how about diamond, chip pickle, Ollie, Wally bear. It's a two correct. Ooh, nice. Two correct. Kinda nice. Ah, wait. Huh? Zero. Okay, my turn. So how about chip pickle turn to Tucker? No, one correct. Oh wait, so this means this chip pickle. This is right. Oh, na understand it now. Okay. Na kay duha ka black. Two black imong gibuhat. Ako kay, uy, what the fuck? Nakakita ka? Naguba na ko. Pero nakita ka? Wala. Okay. So fix na ko be. Wait. Mana, wait lang. What? Your turn. Macam. You have, what's that block? It's nothing. Zero correct. So meaning this chip pickle. Kita ka? No. Okay. This means chip pickle. There is totally nah. There is the best. Here is gonna be all bro. What that? Four correct. Oh my god, so like me. So meaning word. Wait. Yeah, I think that is good. Ahem. You totally have one correct. My turn. What that? Hey, Brock. You win! Oh my god, no freaking win. Look.